Today is the day to face up to your desire to look younger and rejuvenated. Facial plastic surgeon Dr. Jeffrey Raval and his staff are in our help center today to help you do just that. Call them right now to learn about procedures that can have you looking younger in minutes and receive 20% off services. But you must call today. The number is 303-218-BEST, 303-218-2378. We're back with Dr. Jeffrey Raval. Doctor, you are the owner and medical director at Rocky Mountain Facial Aesthetics and also Rocky Mountain Laser Aesthetics. You do everything that has to do with the face. You are an artist. I was looking at all of your work last night. So impressed.
Oh, thank you.
Amazing. Tell me what you offer at your practice.
So we offer everything that anybody would be concerned about with their face. So from the skincare products, laser peels, chemical peels, even non-invasive peels such as we have some needling techniques that really help with it. That's great for people with darker skin.
Yep.
All the way to rhinoplasties, which is nasal reshaping procedures, nasal airway procedures, upper, lower eyelid procedures, and mini facelifts to full facelifts.
That's
so
amazing.
with a full gamut.
Yeah, and I was looking at, we're going to be seeing your work in just a minute, but I was looking at your rhinoplasties. Amazing. The work that you do, it doesn't even look like the person had surgery, yet they look 100% better. So why don't you tell me, we're showing your office right now, tell me about how the industry is evolving and all the products that are available. It's just amazing what's out there now.
Well, you know, here's a great example of the new tools that are available. We have the Visia skin analysis machine that can actually analyze the skin from different types of exposures, which can show various levels of wrinkling, sun damage. It can even help with the bacteria content of someone with acne problems. And it really helps gives us a more scientific analysis of someone's skin problems. This is an example showing a simple Botox injection that we were doing around the eyes, some laser procedures that we can do in the office to help with fine wrinkling, acne, sunspots.
Lasers can do so much these days, right?
Yes, and you know, it's not just any laser. We have multiple lasers that we can change and change the settings and change the type of laser depending on the needs of the patient. Unbelievable.
And you also have injections where you make the patient a little more comfortable, because some of these things can be a little painful.
You know, you're right. And so everything about our office is to create a more comfortable experience for the patient. We do a couple things that are different in our office that you then compare, you know, in comparison to other offices. One of the things that you saw with the Botox injection was a very small syringe with a very tiny special order needle. And the reason why we can use that is we actually use a higher concentration of Botox than most other offices. In addition, for fillers, we actually add more numbing agent. We add lidocaine and we add some epinephrine for people where it's not contraindicated. And it leads to a more comfortable filler injection and less bruising.
Yeah, nobody likes to be in pain, but you get such great results, and we want to take a look at those great results.
So
here are some before and afters. What's this one?
So this patient actually had a combination of stuff. This is what's really great about what we can offer at the office. So she had a facelift, but she also had some volume replacement. You can see we added some volume back into the cheeks, what we call the nasolabial folds, and even along the temple and posterior mandibular area, we added volume. In addition, we did a traditional facelift procedure. This shows how much you can improve the neckline, the jawline with a facelift procedure.
You bet.
So again, a before and after facelift procedure. You can see the incision around her ears. This is some of the simple stuff we can do. Botox, just to the frown area, can really help with those wrinkles between the eyes. It also actually has been shown to be helpful with headaches. And even in some cases of mild depression, Botox has been shown to be useful. Some of the areas that people don't know that they can get Botox. Here's a patient who had wrinkling around her lips, and we gave her a small amount of Botox, and you can see it does provide a slight reduction in the lip area. Very simple procedure, takes 10 seconds literally to inject the Botox in this area.
That's an amazing
dark circles around the eyes.
What did you do there?
So this is also a combination of treatments where the patient received filler to fill in the grooves around the eyes, but then received what's called a photofacial laser type of treatment around the eyes to remove or reduce the darkness.
And that's what I love about you. You're an artist. You combine things. You don't do just one. And I think that's what makes the look so natural.
That's the nice thing about it. If we can combine things to get the best treatment for everybody. The one you saw earlier was a volume replacement. Here's someone who wanted fuller lips.
And they got them.
And we got fuller lips, but again, we're trying to keep them natural. We want to maintain the natural shape of the lips.
Nice.
Here's the other procedure we were talking about earlier, rhinoplasties or nasal reshaping. This patient had concerns about the bump on the bridge of her nose.
Yeah.
Also was what we call over-projected. It was coming out a little too far, so we decreased the projection, straightened her profile. And you can see one nice thing is it's a very natural look.
Yes.
The way the rhinoplasty surgeries have really changed over the years, and people are always scared about having a upturned nose.
No, but they look great.
Well, thank you.
And we're going to tell people about a VIP event that you have going on tonight, so they can drop by and get more information. So you can visit Dr. Raval and his team in Cherry Creek North tonight for their annual VIP event. It's from 3 to 7 p.m. tonight, and you'll enjoy food, deep discounts, and even raffle prizes that I heard are going to be amazing, right, Dr. Raval?
Yeah, we actually have some really great prizes, such as giving away Botox treatments, filler treatments, but you have to be present to get a raffle ticket and to be eligible to win the raffle prizes.
Okay. And for those who can't make it to the event tonight, that's why Dr. Raval has his staff in our help center today. So call right now and you're going to receive the same discounts. Prepay $100 and get 20% off services. The number to call is 303-218-BEST, 303-218-2378. And to reach Dr. Raval and Rocky Mountain Facial Aesthetics when they're not in our help center, you can call them anytime at 303-381-3223. You can also learn more online at ravalmd.com. And they're conveniently located at 3773 Cherry Creek North Drive. We'll see you a little later in the show.
Okay.
Well, coming up on Colorado's Best, what most of us want when we pass is to be remembered and to have made an impact. Up next, how to make a difference in the lives of others even when you're gone. Plus, a mix and match membership that